Hello everybody, and today we're going to be doing a fidget spinner video. So I got some new fidget spinners here. This one has my name on it for some reason. It's a real good one. Okay, we're going to start off with which one should we start off with? What if we start off with this one? This one looks pretty cool. So let's just open it. Oh wow, it says wow, it's really blue and nice. Let's spin it how it goes. Whoa, whoa. I'm so bad at spinning things. It goes really fast. Wow. Alright. It's not one of my favorites because it doesn't spin that fast actually. Wow. It must be hard for the spinner to finish. I have some cool ones that are in one of these bags or something, which are cool. Let's start out with the second. Let's get a green one. Ooh, what's this? This one looks so cool. Let's see how it goes. Ooh. Oh. Wow, that is fast. That is so fast. Let's go with the... Oh, Fidget. How much did I order? Let's go with this one. Let's see how this one looks like. Let's open like this. Okay, good. I'm not gonna see the fidget spinner. I want this to be a surprise. I'm looking up in the air. One out. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Spin it. It doesn't spin that fast. Yeah, it really doesn't spin that fast. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't. It does not spin fast. Let's try this gold one. Ooh. Wow, this is fast. Awesome. Look at it. Oh, let's see. No, finally, not least. This one, I want to unbox it. Look at it. Look at this. Oh, let's see how it spins. Wait. This is extremely fast. But anyway, guys, that was the end of this episode. Thank you all for watching. Bye.